Hey there! Today you'll get to know AI Edit and Cleanup, your new creative sidekick inside Vela's studio editor. With just a few clicks, you can remove distractions, restyle your images, or transform them entirely with AI. This tool helps your images match your brand story perfectly. Let's start in Studio. Hover over the image you want to edit and click the edit icon. Here you'll see all of the studio tools, and today we're jumping into AI Edit and Cleanup. First, we'll clean up these text overlays, adjust your brush size, then paint over any areas you want removed. Once everything's covered in purple, hit Clean Up. And just like that, a clean slate. Now let's switch to Edit to completely reimagine this image, turning a simple product photo into a lifestyle scene. When writing your prompt, be specific. Mention placement, style, colors, and even lighting. Then click Generate to see your options. Each result is unique. I love this one, and it even nailed all 10 fingers. You can always step back or revert to the original before saving using the top buttons. Let's take this interior shot next. You can make multiple changes in one prompt, or split them into steps for more control. Here, we'll update both the decor style and frame colors in one go to appeal to buyers with a different aesthetic. Once we pick our favorite result, I'm loving this one with the exposed ductwork, we'll layer on another change right here in the same window. I want to be able to separately select the plant stand, plants, and dog that look best, so I'll keep them as individual prompts. It's definitely hard to pick between these cute dogs, but the fur on this one matches the decor, so he's the winner. When you're done, you can save your work as a new image or update the existing one, which automatically updates across your connected listings. Finally, let's prep a seasonal refresh. This skirt sells all summer long, but it's perfect for the holidays too. We want the product photo to tell that story. First, we'll remove this distracting signage using Cleanup. Then we'll restyle the image, winter lighting, cozy layers, and festive details, while keeping the skirt pattern and model the same. Always note what you want to preserve in your prompt. And just like that, a winter wonderland. AI Edit and Cleanup helps you create beautiful on-brand images faster than ever. Explore, experiment, and have fun bringing your vision to life with Vela.